Okay, Gurgaon is home to premium housing, global companies and luxury retail, but this Millennium City still draws a blank when it comes to properly built roads. End-to-end water and power supply and drainage is still a work in progress. Is that why Gurgaon's appeal as a real estate investment destination is not as exciting as before? Oinitam Ojha recaps how 2015 fared for Gurgaon.
This is Gurgaon, home to the posh and the powerful, and the city for dreams for the young entrepreneur. But behind this swanky exterior lies chaos. Bumper-to-bumper traffic, potholes where there should be roads. This year's monsoon had entire Gurgaon underwater. And open garbage dumps line residential colonies. This is the ugly underbelly of a city that's home to global MNCs. Worse still, major infrastructure projects like the Dwarka Expressway or the Northern Peripheral Road and the Southern Peripheral Road or SPR, which are supposed to connect the new residential sectors of Gurgaon, have been stuck for over 7 years now. The roads were proposed that led to bitter legal battles with farmers. When the legal go-ahead came in, Huda or the Haryana Urban Development Authority is sheepish enough to say it has no money to compensate the oustees. And thus, both roads remain half done.
हरियाणा अर्बन डेवलपमेंट अथॉरिटी में अभी फ़िलहाल जिसको हम हुड्डा बोलते हैं पैसे की कमी है। अभी हमने कुछ दुकानें और कुछ कॉमर्शियल प्लॉट जैसे होटल साइट थी, कुछ एससीओ थे, उनकी नीलामी के लिए हमने ऑक्शन भी किया था, लेकिन रिजर्व प्राइस पे भी किसी ने टेंडर नहीं डाले क्योंकि मार्केट वैल्यू डाउन है। शायद हो सकता है रिजर्व प्राइस ज़्यादा रखे हों, दोबारा कोशिश कर रहे हैं। और हुड्डा के पास ज़मीन बहुत है पिछले ज़माने, लेकिन पिछली सरकार ने इन 10 सालों के अंदर बिल्डरों को फ़ायदा पहुंचाने के अलावा कोई भी हुड्डा का एक भी सेक्टर एक्वायर नहीं किया, इसलिए हुड्डा के पास पैसे नहीं।
33,000 residential units are coming up across the 20 sectors that are connected by the Dwarka Expressway. This 18-kilometer road will connect Dwarka in Delhi and end at Sector 83 Gurgaon, just beyond the Manesar toll. The SPR, on the other hand, will connect the Golf Course Extension Road to National Highway 8, intersecting Sona Road. This road will run through sectors 68 to 76 of Gurgaon, which has over 70 residential projects by top developers. Even as Huda tries to find ways to raise funds and fill its kitty, the authority was shaken up by yet another reshuffle at the top level, that too barely within a month. In the past 1 year, Huda Gurgaon has seen 3 administrators come and go. The frequent changes has left the industry feeling edgy and unsure about the Haryana government's plans for Gurgaon.
See, I think wherever in any state, be it Haryana or Punjab, whenever you have a reshuffle, you always have an idle time. You know, everybody needs a startup time before things start moving in. So I think it's very damaging from a continuity perspective also, because if you're taking up things and there are issues which need addressing, you just can't have a changeover. It completely puts everything out of gear.
Gurgaon's master planning has been driven by just cutting new sectors for private housing. Years of myopic planning went ignored. But today, as thousands of home buyers begin to move into their flats, the glaring lack of even basic facilities has begun to cripple the common citizen. It's time for Haryana administration to pull up its socks or be prepared to lose out to Noida, Greater Noida, places which already boast of better infrastructure and now is all set to get an airport too. In Gurgaon, with Vasudha Sharma, Oinitam Ojha, NDTV.